I have a feeling she's about to lay an egg right here.
Well, thank you. Farm Fresh delivered right to your door this morning. Thank you. Have a lovely day. Georgette just laid an egg on the front porch.
What? It's hot.
It's hot? It's warm, huh? Good morning, everybody. We're about to make some breakfast real quick. I've got to go run some errands this morning. We're gonna go by Walmart because I need to get a couple more bins to put my Christmas stuff in. I ended up putting a lot of the fall stuff in the Christmas ones, and so now I don't have enough room for the Christmas stuff. I was gonna get some from Aldi the other day because they were supposed to have them as one of their Aldi finds this past week, but we didn't get any of those. I mean, they may have later on throughout the week, I don't know, but when I went, they didn't have any. They had them for a good price too. I think they were like $7 or $8. I would have to double check on that, but they didn't have any, so I'm gonna go by Walmart to get a few. That way, when I do take down the Christmas decorations, I have somewhere to put it all and I'm not having to stuff it in the ones that have the fall stuff too. So the rain is coming once again, y'all. We let the chickens out early this morning before it starts raining. Plus, we're going to see Mama later this afternoon. We're gonna go have lunch with her and all today. School starts back on Wednesday, so after today, we have one more day of Christmas break. I don't even think I told y'all what I'm making. We're gonna make some breakfast sheet pan quesadillas, and I asked the kids if they wanted bacon or sausage. They said sausage. Titus already left really early this morning, so he just ate something before he left. I was gonna get up and make these before he left. My heart and my brain was all for it, but my body did not agree this morning. I accidentally overslept just a little bit. Normally, when I hear him up getting ready, I wake up, you know, anyway, and go ahead and get up and start doing stuff. But this morning, I slept through him getting ready and all. So the kids just want sausage and cheese on these quesadillas. Sometimes I put eggs, but they just want sausage and cheese this morning, so that's what we're gonna do. This is almost ready. I'm gonna go ahead and get our sheet pans out. All right, so we're gonna put down these two, and then these two, just like that. And I have one left. We'll see if we need it. We gotta shred the cheese real quick. Hey, do y'all want spinach on these?
I want cheese on it.
You want cheese on it? No spinach? Okay.
I want orange cheese on
You want orange
my
cheese?
head.
Oh, in your hand? Okay. Oh, we got ice going again now. Our refrigerator, y'all, it has mood swings. Well, the ice maker has mood swings. Sometimes it gives us ice, sometimes it does not. It hasn't been for about 3 or 4 days now, and suddenly we have ice again. We'll put down half of the cheese first, then the sausage. We want to keep everything right here in the middle. Don't go too far out on the edge because we're going to fold all this in here in a minute. Now we'll put some more cheese. And you can put whatever, eggs, peppers, onions. Okay, now we're gonna fold in the bottom and the top first. And now the sides. And I'm gonna spray the top with a little bit of olive oil. I have this olive oil spray here. And we're gonna set this sheet pan on top so that it holds it down for 20 minutes at 350. It's gonna cook like that. Then we'll take this off and it'll cook just about 7 or 8 more minutes without the top. Look at this adorable rain jacket. It's clear. Y'all, I love clear stuff. I love clear umbrellas. Now I love these clear little rain jackets. They don't have one in manly size, but that is adorable. They have these too. These are definitely more expensive here than I thought. Why don't Aldi have theirs? These are $11. I guess we'll get a couple of these. We'll go with green because now all my fall stuff is in red. We got 2 lids? We might need 3. Now we're looking for film for the cameras. Oh, right here a bit. All right, y'all, we are back home. We ended up getting 3 of these hefty containers. This is the first year I think I've seen these hefty ones. I don't think I've ever seen them before. They're not as hefty as the Sterilite containers, but I think they'll do. The bottoms of them are like really like that. See how it kind of wobbles? Yeah, it'll be fine though. It'll be fine. They're gonna work fine. I also got some Lysol shower foamer, some paper towels, and a few other things, but this was the main reason that I needed to run into Walmart. Oh, and for their film for their little cameras. Cece's already putting some stuff in. I think what we'll do is the things that are breakable, I have leftover tissue paper and a few leftover gift bags. So we'll wrap them in some tissue paper and pack them away like that. That way they won't get broken. But we're probably not gonna do it today. I'm gonna switch out laundry and then it's time to go over the river and through the woods to grandmother's house. Okay, y'all, we are back home. Jacob says he made these homemade peanut butter cookies. Are you for real? For real? With his berries? Yeah. Would you be willing to show us in a video how you prepared these cookies? They're really good. Oh, you used all the peanut butter? I mean, those are really pretty cookies. I'm impressed. All right, y'all, so for supper, we're just having leftover collard greens, black-eyed peas. I'm gonna make some fresh cornbread, and I think I'm gonna make some chicken. I have some of these bags of the Aldi Kirkwood chicken. Kind of tastes like the Chick-fil-A kind. Jacob and Tyler wanted to go to Walmart real quick, so they left to go there. I'm very impressed with his cookies, I really am. So I'm gonna get the cornbread made and get the chicken in the oven first, because that chicken, it takes about 40 minutes. You cook it for 20, flip it, cook it for 20 more. So once I get that in the oven, then I'll just get the collard greens and the black-eyed peas and pinto beans, which was really good, by the way, mixing those peas and beans.